1972 Ford F100, $3,300 Rancho Cucamonga, California. A solid project candidate with an automatic transmission and V8 power. It runs but needs fuel line replacement. Non-operational title may complicate registration. Ideal for a budget build with room for restoration. To 1977 Ford F250, $2,900 Whittier, California. This automatic transmission F250 is a partially starter restoration, new freeze plugs, and carburetor. It sits at 153,000 miles with good interior and body ready for someone to complete the job with minimal investment. 1971 Ford F100 $2,300 Fort Collins, Colorado. A fair condition manual transmission rig with 91,000 original miles. Powered by a 5.0-liter 3.0 Tichy and featuring a clean dash, basic. No power steering, drum brakes, perfect for enthusiasts who appreciate simple, original trucks. For 1970 to GMC Sierra Grande W, dump bed, $3,900 Missoula, Montana. Equipped with a rare factory dump bed and manual 4-speed. This inline-6 Sierra runs and appears largely original, with just patina, a utilitarian classic well-preserved by farm use and minimal inconsistency in appearance. Five 1969 Chevrolet C60 dump truck, $1,000 Cotton, Minnesota. A fair condition workhorse with just 59,000 miles, runs with live hydraulics and good oil pressure. Needs cosmetic cleanup, great base for restoration or rebuild into a vintage utility vehicle. Six 1980 Chevrolet C20 long bed, $3,000 Newbury Park, California. Manual transmission long bed with a reliable 350 crate engine installed circa 1990. Runs well with fresh exhaust and tanks. Straight California body, ideal for someone comfortable with general mechanical upkeep. 7. 1987 Ford F150 Single Cab 4x4. $1,400 Grande area, Oregon, older V6 4-speed manual. 4x4 long bed work truck, odometer rollover, yet mechanically sound. Perfect for hauling or light off-road duty. Very fair value for a rural rig. Eight. 1988 Ford F150 4x4, $4,900 Scottsdale, Arizona. Excellent 8th Gen F150 with only 17,000 miles, lifted with period-correct wheels, fully running. Automatic transmission and strong V8. A Desert Original Survivor, rare mileage and ready for adventure or show. Nine. 1980 to Bullnose Ford F150 barn find, $8,500 Jerome, Idaho. Stored indoors for 20 years with just 90,000 original miles. Transitional styling between F100 and F150 with minimal mechanical work. New transmission plug, ideal for an authentic restoration. $10. 1980 for Toyota long bed, $6,500 Moreno Valley, California. Manual 4-speed with 314,000 miles runs, needs carburetor tuning and tags. Reinforced springs and rear air shocks. Hint at heavier loads, classic Toyota bed with high mile durability, perfect for restoration. $11. 1976 Chevrolet K10, $10,000 Yuma, Arizona. Square body 4x4 in good condition with recent refresh plugs, carburetor, belts, classic blue paint and new parts like front drive shaft. And Bluetooth stereo, clean title, a strong base for a daily driver or off-roader. $12. 1979 Ford F150, $8,000 Whitwater, California. Automatic with rebuilt 300 to V8 and C6 transmission. About 92,000 miles with new steering gear, carburetor and muffler. Solid daily driver from Oregon. Needs seat reupholstery and AC but reliable for cross-country journeys. 13. 1970 Ford F100 Flatbed, $7,500 Los Angeles, California, manual to 190 to inline 6. Thoroughly freshened carb, brakes, clutch, tires, turnkey truck that's dependable and functional. With a flatbed perfect for hauling, excellent for practical use or weekend cruising. 14. 1979 Ford F100 $9,000 Glendale, Arizona, fair condition with manual transmission and 300 to V8. Runs well and has new Michelin tires. Still needs restoration but sits ready for a classic pickup lover to finish. 15. 1969 Ford F250 Classic Cab, $8,000 Arcadia, California, a genuine barn finder with only 300 miles and untouched factory 360 volts 8, includes modern raceline wheels on low-mile tires. Straight body with authentic blue patina perfect as a collectible or restimate. 16. 1969 Dodge Power Wagon, $500 Enterprise, Oregon, inoperable and seized, manual 4-speed. Missing title, very low mileage reported, but engine is stuck. Great for parts or a full rebuild for fans of rugged Dodge rigs. 17. 1962 Chevrolet C10 LS Swap, $10,000 Corrales, New Mexico, long bed truck with modern LS6. OL and 6L80E swap, fair condition with rust in floors and tailgate, new brakes and tires. LS-powered old pickup ideal blend of classic style and modern drivability. 18. 1957 Ford F100 Short Box, $11,900 Vancouver, Washington. Beautiful big back window rear short box with straight 6, clean interior. Nice glass and trim minor step rust. Classic 57 lines and a desirable configuration. Excellent candidate for mild resto or driver. 1963 Ford F100 pickup, $13,500 bow. Washington, 2-owner flare side with original 3.6-liter engine and manual column shift. New brakes and tires plus solid floors and body. Interior in nice shape, a true mid-restoration candidate or driver with authentic heritage. Twenty 1986 Dodge Ram D150, $12,800 Edmonds, Washington. Excellent condition V8 automatic with 82,000 miles and canopy-covered bed. 2-owner history and full paperwork. Highly original and well-maintained. Great value for those seeking a clean survivor Dodge from the era.